Hi everyone, I am Varadarajan. So today I'll be giving a quick demo of FormCraft, which is a side project I've been working on. So with this tool, you can create forms with conditional logic, custom validations, and even you can post the data to your external services. So let's see some of those in action. So as soon as I log in, I'm presented with a nice dashboard with some of the key metrics. So here you can see the completion rate by form, average completion rate, submissions over time, and even some of the recent activities, right? So let me start by creating a new form. I can create a form from scratch. I can create with a template. I can also create with AI. This feature is not out yet. It will be out in some days, hopefully. So let me start with a new template for now. So here you can see a wide variety of templates. So we can choose from any one of this, right? So let me start with the vendor registration form, right? So soon as I click here, you can see we are previewing the vendor registration form, and we can edit this as our wish, right? And we can even go change the theme. So we have predefined themes over here. So let's say I want a purple one. So yeah, so this is a violet one. So this I'm liking this. So I'm just clicking on use template here so that my form will get saved. And yeah, here you can see the auto save is successful. So for all of the changes we make, it is auto saved after 2 seconds. So once we are happy with the form, we can click on publish, right? So once we click on publish, we'll be getting a public link which we can share with anybody. uh, so yeah, so let's see some of the field configurations, right? So these are some of the common fields which are available in FormCraft. And let's see with a example which I have already configured. So I have this particular form over here which I have already configured. So here you can see all the type of fields available. So let's say that I want to edit this to customer name, and I can even change this. I don't want to call this anything, so I can just leave this empty. Let's say I want to add a conditional logic, right? So I think I have already added one. I'll just show you that. So here you can see all of the fields over here, but we couldn't see the one which is hidden with conditional logic. So here we can see that. So if I go to the field settings, we can see the field configuration, and if we scroll down, we can see a conditional logic section. So here you can see this particular field is configured with a condition such that this field will only be shown when the overall experience is equals to poor, right? So let's see what this field is. So would you like to describe the reason for a poor rating, right? So we would only need to show this particular field if the rating was poor, right? So this only makes sense when the rating is poor. So that is exactly what we added here. We can even add validations. Let's say I want to make this particular additional comments required, right? So I can just come here. I can just call this required. Here you can see already this asterisk has already come up, right? So yeah, additional comments are required. Yeah. So here you can see a lot of already, yeah, I have already added a validation where additional comments maximum length should be 500. It should not exceed 500. So these are some of the custom validations which are predefined, and these are different for different types of fields. Let's say, for example, for radio, we have some of the common validations available, and whereas for dropdowns, it is different. And whereas for date inputs, let's say, we have already, I mean, we have also date inputs. So for them, it is different. So for each fields, the validations as well as the conditional logic section is different. Um so you can play around with this, and I'll just show one of my favorite features, which is integrations. So here for this particular form, I have created a Google form. So with all of the names which I want to capture. So basically, I will just create a Google Sheet integration right from here. So I can click on the form integrations and sheets. Here I can see I have already connected my account. So here from this drop down, you can choose the particular form which you, sorry, not the form, the spreadsheet which you want to submit to. So I'm just choosing this one over here, and I'm just selecting the first sheet. So when I select, you can see a field mapper. So this is nothing but the fields which we map here. Let's say I map the customer name to this particular customer name. So this customer name is coming from here, right? And if I map this to customer name, so this particular customer name is the one which we actually configured in the form. So I'll just quickly map all of the fields and show you the integration. So once I'm done, I can save my integration. Even I can uh, change my form even after publishing. Let's say I want to stick to deep violet. So I'll just stick to this one for now. And I can open a new tab here. Yeah, here you can see I have already got the form. So I'll just show the mobile screen also. So this is how it looks like in mobile, and this is how it looks like in bigger screen. So I'll just, yeah, I have already configured a pre-filled value, so I can just remove that. Let's say my name is Varadarajan, test, yeah, test product B. My, let's say my rating was poor, so that that particular condition will get satisfied and we will get this, yeah, for this poor improve for God's sake. No, no. Okay. Okay, all right. So let's say this was a bad product. Right? Yeah. Once I'm done, I can submit the form, and I'll be just getting this. So yeah, this will be redirecting to the landing page. So yeah. So once I'm done, let me see if I got the submission over here. So yeah, here you can see that submission which we just added over here, right? Let me see if that particular integration got also successful. Yeah, so here you can see the data which we posted from our form got automatically added in the Google Forms, right? Sorry, Google Sheets. So yeah, this is how integrations work. And here we can see the number of submissions, and we can even go to the publish form right from here, and we can edit and delete here from here as well. We can even filter by status. We can filter by publish status and draft status. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me know your feedbacks, and let me know what I can improve on this. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.